Hello everyone, welcome back to Tricky Maths. Today we are going to learn how to find the quotient and remainder when a number divided by 10, 100 and 1000 without actual division. Let us start. Division with 10. In first example, I am going to divide 486 by 10. Without actual division, I have to write quotient and remainder. How can I write? Let us see, children. In 486 divided by 10, in this, what is dividend and what is divisor? As we know, the number to be divided is called dividend. The number by which we divide is called divisor. To write the quotient and remainder without actual division, first we have to see how many zeros are there in divisor. In this problem, divisor is 10, dividend is 486. So, how many zeros are there in divisor? Yes, 1 zero is there. In 486, the number 486, the last digit from right side onwards, right side, right to left. This is left to right. In 486, last digit from right side onwards. What is the last digit from right side? Yes, 6. 6 is the last digit from right side. 6 becomes remainder, remaining part of the dividend. What is the remaining part? Remaining part is 48. That becomes the quotient. Okay, na? That means the digit which is in ones place becomes remainder. Which is in ones place? 6 is in ones place. That becomes remainder. Remaining part, remaining digits. What are the remaining digits in 486? Yes, 48. 48 is the remaining part. This 48 becomes the quotient. Okay, na? Yes, right here. What is the quotient? Quotient is 48. Remainder is 6. First write remainder. Ones place digit becomes remainder. Rest of the part becomes quotient. Okay, na? Yes, let us go to another example. Here 2703 divided by 10. Yes, without actual division we can write the quotient and remainder. See, to write the quotient and remainder, first we have to see how many zeros are there in divisor. How many zeros are there? 1 zero is there. If in divisor 1 zero is there, remainder becomes ones place digit only. What is ones place in 2703? 3 is the ones place digit. So, this 3 becomes remainder. This 3 becomes remainder. Rest of the part. What is the remaining part? What are the remaining digits? 270. 270 becomes quotient. Quotient is 270. Remainder 3. Okay, na? Now, I am going to explain division with 100. Same like that only. To divide a number by tens, hundreds and thousand. First we have to see how many zeros are there in divisor. Okay, na? How many zeros are there in first example? In first divisor, how many zeros are there? Yes, 2 zeros are there. So, what will be the quotient? What will be the remainder? Yes, remainder becomes last 2 digits. Last 2 digits. See here, 2 zeros are there, na? So, remainder becomes last 2 digits from right side. This is right side, right to left, na? So, right side, 7 and 4. So, this 47 becomes remainder. 47 becomes remainder. Remaining part. What is the remaining part? Rest of the digits. 38. 38 becomes quotient. When 3847 divided by 100, the quotient becomes 38. Remainder becomes 47. Next problem. Next example. 42,700 divided by 1000. In this problem also same. How many? First we have to see how many zeros. 2 zeros are there. So 2 digits. 2 digits. That means the digits which are in ones and tens place becomes remainder, remaining part becomes quotient. Ones and tens place, this is ones place, tens place, na last two digits becomes remainder. 0 0, you can write 0 also. Yes, this becomes remainder, remaining part. What is the remaining part here? 427 becomes quotient. 427. Now division with 1000. When a number divided by 1000, we can write the quotient and remainder without actual division. See how many zeros are there in divisor? In this problem, this is dividend, this is divisor. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. In 1000, 3 zeros are there. So remainder becomes, yes, last 3 digits from right side. 1, 2, 3 digits. That means the digits which are in ones, tens, hundreds place becomes remainder, remaining part of the dividend, only 9, that becomes quotient. Quotient is 9, remainder 406. Now let us go for another example. 70,872 divided by 1000. In this also, in divisor 3 zeros are there. So remainder becomes last 3 digits from right side onwards. 1, 2, 3 digits. That means the digits which are in ones, tens, hundreds place becomes remainder. Rest of the digits, what are the rest of the digits? 7 and 0, that becomes quotient. Quotient is 70, remainder 872. I hope you understood this concept, children. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment on this video.